Do you do online class, game streaming, or video conferencing? Well, if you do, stick around and I will show you a cost-effective high-definition webcam you can use for all of your online gigs. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing great. Today, we will unbox and review the new Logitech C922 HD webcam. We hope this video will help you if you want to get hyper-fast HD cam for video calls, virtual conference, or series to light streaming. I'm Val and this is the latest unboxing and review video series of my Metro lifestyle. If you missed the last video about the Go3, you may click the video link from the description box below. If you have not subscribed yet, just click subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can update you with our future unboxing and review uploads. As a video content creator, game streamer, and online class facilitator, it is hard to connect to your audience if you look a bit faded or pixelated. Your webcam's ability to match the frame rate of what you are broadcasting can provide an all-time high viewer experience when everything moves in a single, fluent motion. That is why a reliable high-definition webcam is very important. Lucky for me, C922 Pro high-definition webcam from Logitech is now available. The image and video quality of this equipment is terrific. The backlight return is very good and can be maximized depending on the lighting. The C922 is the improved version of the C920. All features between these two cams are the same, except from the C922 Pro has a faster frame rate which supports 60 frames per second at 720p and the background removal tool. Now that we all have that information out of our way, let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Once you open the box, you will see the HD webcam right away. The cam has built-in microphones on both ends. It has a 6 feet or 1.8 meters long cable with male USB connector. The webcam itself is plug and play. You do not need to install a driver to make it work. All you need to do is pull up the camera app of your Windows 10 or Mac computer to use the webcam. However, if you want to maximize the full potential of this bad boy, it is highly recommended to use Logitech Capture. The C922 Pro HD webcam also includes a 5-inch long tripod. And in case you need to lift it a bit higher, you may extend it up to 8 inches. The cam comes with 3 necessary documents: the monitor mounting instructions, warranty sheet for warranty claims, and a free access on XSplit live stream and video mixing application for 3 months. The voiceover on this part is from the built-in microphone of the C922 webcam. I use OBS to manage the background noise, and I am 16 inches away from the webcam's microphone. This shot is from the default Windows 10 camera app using the C922 webcam. The control for brightness and autofocus are located on the left side of your screen, while the picture and video switch are on the right side. Once you set your Zoom, Google Meet, Messenger, or other video conferencing tools camera to C922 HD Pro, this is the video quality that you will get. Logitech Capture allows the user to have full HD on 24, 25, or 30 frames per second frame rate for a better video quality. The autofocus works perfectly and keeps your video clear even if you move closer or far from the camera. If you're on the go and no time to put on your makeup, just set up your C922 Pro to 720p on 60 frames per second and you will look flawless on screen. Comment down below what you think about this C922 video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can always update you with our future unboxing and review videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.